Is your Lenovo laptop camera not working after updating to Windows 11? You are seeing that frustrating. No cameras attached errors. Or maybe your camera just disappeared completely from the device manager. Don't worry, I'm going to show you 5 problem fixes, and I guarantee one of them will solve the problem. First, let me show you exactly what the problem looks like. When I open the camera app from the start button, I type camera app. Just type camera, your app, okay? Okay, for me, I have a privacy setting issues. So what I do, I click on privacy settings, or I go down straight to the start button and type privacy settings. Okay. When I click there, to my left hand side, I see privacy and securities. Okay. To your right, you select camera. Fine. So for me, the camera button is toggled off. When I toggle it on, okay, my app is active now. You can see here from here, camera is on. Okay. So likewise, if you have Zoom, you have Teams issues, or the camera is not working on your Zoom or your Teams, your Skype, you if you have them installed here, you come here and also toggle them on. Okay. So once that is done, you go back to the camera app for a test. Type camera. Okay, camera. Okay, for me this works fine. So that's the first step. So the next step, fix number 2, involves in reinstalling the camera drivers. So this is where most camera problems actually gets resolved. Right click on start button and select device manager. Right click and select device manager. Okay. Now here is the trick. If you don't see your camera listed here, click on view at the top menu and select show hidden devices. So for me, the camera, I don't have any hidden device here. The camera is here. I click on it. For me, it's installed. But for you might see a, a caution sign here. So what you do, you just right click here and select uninstall device. So I will go on ahead to uninstall. Okay. Then when I install again, I come back here and I click on action. I select scan hardware changes. Automatically, if your drivers is available, it will install. So this solve the problem. So there are no caution signs, no error messages here. So you go back to your camera app and test your camera. Okay, the dot option here is a fix for basically for Lenovo laptops. So for Lenovo laptops, Lenovo has its own software called Lenovo Vantage that controls the hardware settings. Sometimes this software has a camera privacy mode that overrides Windows settings. Open the Microsoft app, okay, Microsoft app, and search for Lenovo Vantage. Lenovo Vantage. You click Lenovo Vantage. It's specifically for Lenovo users. You install. So once you install this app, you can fix your camera from this app. Okay, so that's that. So fix number 4 is a registry edit. This sounds crazy, scary, but I'll walk you through it step by step. And it's completely safe if you follow exactly what I do. Press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, Windows and R key. Okay, then type Reg Edit, then press Enter. Oh, okay, this pops up. Don't be scared. Select Yes. So when you select Yes, you come down to navigate through to H key local machine. Okay, for me, I already have that. So for H key underscore local underscore machine, okay, click here, select software. Okay, this is software. Okay, then go to Microsoft. This is Microsoft. Then Windows Media Foundation. Okay, under Microsoft, you can if you find Windows. Okay, I'll go down Windows Media Foundation, a little bit down. Okay, I'm almost there. Windows, go to W. This is Windows Media Foundation. Okay, from Windows Media Foundation to your right hand side, you select you right click here, the word. So for me, I already have it here. So, but if I don't have this here, click on new, select the word 32-bit value, and enter this enable framework. Let me expand your sheet. Create your own folder, file, enable framework server. Okay. Then when you do that, let me go ahead and change this to, okay, hold on. Um, a minute, please. Enable framework, enable framework, frame server rather, server mode. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and put something like one there because I already have that before. Then you double click this, make sure your value is 0, then okay it. Then once this is done, you restart your laptop. After restarting your laptop, this will fix the problem. Then the fifth option we have here is from Windows. I close this, then restart your laptop. 5 is a nuclear option, rolling back the Windows 11 update. If the 24H2 update specifically broke your camera and none of the previous fixes worked, you can undo that update. Open settings by pressing Windows plus R key on your keyboard, Windows key plus I key. Okay, I key. Click on Windows Update on the left side. Okay, so to my left side, I have Windows Update here. Okay, now I go up to my left hand side. Okay, this is my right hand side. Scroll down, select um, Update History. Okay, from Update History, yeah, you select Uninstall Updates. Okay, so for me, if you have your Windows 24H2 installed, you select it here. Okay, I take example from here. This. I just select this. You select uninstall update. Okay, the update is installing. Now, this process takes around 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient. Your camera should work again after the rollback completes. Now, here's important. After a rollback, you need to pause updates temporarily. Go back to Windows Updates and click Pause Update for 1 week. This gives you time to wait for Windows to release a fixed version of your updates, the update. And actually, I have a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to roll back Windows updates safely. I will link that in the cards above and the description below. So there you have it. 5 proven fixes for your laptop camera not working on Windows 11. Okay. In the comments, tell me which fix worked for you and let me know your Lenovo laptop model so that I can help others with the same advice. If this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting guides. I post new fixes every week, and if you are still having issues, check out my other Windows troubleshooting videos on the playlist. Thank you.